stuff, those handles are on this side.
One old southpaw. I gotta be different.
The only time it's hard for me is like when I have to help somebody, like somebody that's not used to fishing. Or... It's a good time to put some oil in it.
Yep. There's some of that Lucas oil in
I actually use rim oil.
there. Yeah.
There she goes. I've always said it'd be funny when they raise that bridge up to be able to be underneath there with a ladder real quick. Put it up where the hinges are before they can catch you, and go up there and have somebody videotaping you with a can of WD-40 spraying it. Because it just basically looks like the piston that lifts the engine up.
Oh wow.
Yeah, big rods like that. That is pretty cool. Oh, that thing's got away. Tons.
Yeah, that's some metal. Some metal.
A bunch of gears and pistons holding it up.
Yep, that's what it is. There's like 4 pistons on the side. They're the size of humans. Going out fishing.
Yeah,
Oh, I do that. See the sailboat. I've always wondered if those hinges broke, what kind of noise that would make if it slammed down.
Oh shit. I imagine if that slammed down right now, that whole side right there probably gone.
That's what I would think it would break.
There's gonna be some detouring going on.
Yeah. They had another guy in Daytona a couple years ago, Bike Week. He took his Harley and actually jumped the bridge, like Dukes of Hazzard style.
Yeah.
It was going up, and it was right about at like a little bit lower than that. It wasn't much, but they tried to chase him down, the cops, and they never did catch him.